Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to download this update that cannot be installed on your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and trying to update your software, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to update your software, you might see the error that you are unable to download or install the update on your iPhone or iPad. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then you have to connect with different stable or strongest network connection or a Wi-Fi connection. And after that, just simply go to your general, go to software update, and retry to update your software to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you just have to try to know the size of your update here. As you can see, there's 11 gigabyte or 11 GB. So you just have to go back, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have more than 5 GB, 5 GB more than your update size. So if your update size is, let's say, 12 GB, so you have to free up almost 17 to 20 GB free in your iPhone storage. So you can easily free up space by deleting your apps or your files. So after doing this, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just simply press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.